Hi, I'm Wayne Haber, and I'm the facilitator for the Cross-Functional Prioritization Working Group. Today I'm going to talk about, for July 12th, the current state, next steps for the working group, and everyone working on things related to it, and also the future. So to start, the current state includes things in flight such as auto-scheduling S1 bugs, which the Tanya and team are working on. 100% of teams using the new processes. We're actually at 92% as of... Actually, 94% as of today. The merge request to change this hasn't deployed yet. And we've got other things planned, which I'll talk about in a minute. So in terms of current state, as of today, 94% complete on the adoption of the new processes. 2 teams are waiting on priorities from development on the maintenance priority list. 15 teams have, as the next task, the PM determining the priorities for the next milestone, which is the final task. And 27 teams are complete on all tasks. Where those go is in multiple places, those prioritized lists, including this issue, which will be reviewed with our CTO and VP of product on Friday of this week. And it's got an issue for place for an issue for each group with the priorities for that group. It also has if the team is over error budget, which is useful context, and also the previous process on whether the team is part of an active engineering allocation. So the task for product managers this week, if they haven't done so already, is to create their 15.3 planning issue and also link it to this issue here. Now, you might ask why engineering allocations are still listed here. Is because it's good context. We are planning to remove that part of the process as we continue to roll out this the work of this working group. Engineering allocation is not liked nearly as much as cross-functional prioritization. So other things going on is, in addition to that review, which I just showed the issue for that's tracking it, is creating a view of milestone planning issues, which Lily Mai is working on, which is going well, and also have planned a retrospective and start incorporating the feedback for the next iteration. We've been talking about it a lot, but we don't have a retrospective issue encompassing the whole process yet. And we've got other things planned in the future, not part of this iteration, as we take that feedback. One is figuring out planning, is looking at how the different teams do planning. And for example, they have a dynamic issue list in a board, which changes over time, and which has some benefits, and also a static issue list in the summary, which doesn't change the plan for that milestone as the issues change. We've got a draft MR that we're working on, again, not merging this week, or asking people to do it this week, but it includes an analysis of what of the teams we have planning issues for so far, which is about half of them. How do they do planning in terms of, do they have an issue list in the summary that covers one milestone? Do they have a link to a board or issue list that isn't static? Or do they do something else? And also other things that teams do, like a little more than half have objectives and 3 themes, about a third do a capacity analysis, etc. So we're looking at this, and this is something that Justin and I have been collaborating on, and we'll be working with Farnoosh and others on this. So anyway, that's the update for this week. If you have any questions, please let me know or ask in the working group Slack channel or add to the retrospective. Thank you.